Hey guys, Record Sonance here, back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a drop like Malaa. We're gonna be remaking his remix of Enzo. So the final result will sound like this. So from the presets and drums right away, make sure to check bass outs from 3 down below. In the preset pack you'll find all the sounds you need to make this kind of style of music. You will find 4 presets and style of bass outs. And besides that you will find some drums like this. So first I'm gonna make the bass, then the drums, and then the lead sound. As you can see, the MIDI of the bass is quite different than it normally is, because there are loads of overlapping notes. It really gives a slide effect to the sounds, as you can hear. It really makes the bass sound way more groovy. So to make the sound, we start off with a saw wave table, lower down 1 octave. We didn't shape envelope 1. Then we add the filtering. When envelope 2 is cut off, just to give it slightly more attack. It's only to create some movement in the filter. Besides that, some dry fatness. And make sure to enable mono legato always and portamento halfway, because we have those overlapping notes in the MIDI. Then we add some hyperdimension, some chorus, and some distortion. That will make the sound like this. So together with the drums, it sounds like this. So now let's dive into the drums. We have this quite heavy kick drum with a clap. Then we add an open hi-hat to it, just a simple drum pattern. And a closed hi-hat to add some more groove. And that's for the drums. So together the bass and drums sound like this. So now we're gonna dive into the leads. So now we're gonna dive into the lead sound. As you can see, we automated the pitch bend to really get that slide effect to the sound. So we'll start off with a saw wave. Put up 5 unisons. And for 1 to the fine tune. Really gives a more really kind of sound to it. Just a small amount. Around 24. Besides that, put it up an octave. Give the sound a little bit more attack and release. And slightly detune it. Then we're gonna add an oscillator B. It's a sound wave. 8 unisons, detune around here. As you can see, we put a level halfway with a modulation. It gives this kind of effective sound, so not too much. Same thing with the LFO. Then enable mono legato always for the main to add some more slide to it. Then we're gonna dive in effects. First we're gonna add a dial 1 distortion, which really opens up the sound a bit. Then we're gonna open it up more with the OTT. Really destroys the sound in a positive way. Some hyperdimension. You can hear this make the sound a little bit wider. Cut off some lows, then we're going for bass line. Boost heights a little bit. Some delay. And reverb. And that's it for sound. So together with bass, it sounds like this. So altogether, the sounds sound like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more and the subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next videos.